Alrighty, everybody, we got a pretty big job here today. So first off, I'm going to start by scotch guarding everything and wipe everything down with an Armor All, just so it's cleaner than when Lisa picked it up in the showroom. And then I'm going to clay the car, do a one-step polish, make sure there's no scratches, imperfections, the whole 9 yards, and then we're going to coat it. We got our work cut out for us today, boys. Let's get at it. So I just started the outside process of this, and this is a brand new clay bar. This is a brand new car. Look at all that nasty stuff on there. This right here just proves that the work you put in before the coat job is what makes the coat job. All right, so following the clay bar, now I'm gonna polish it. I'm gonna take out all the little etchings and stuff that's in there. There's a couple, but let's get at it. All right, this is another example of why I say the prep work into a coating is way more important than the actual coating itself. So take a look at this, right? This is the side I polished. If you look real close, no imperfections. Then you go over here, look at all those swirls. That's from the factory. That is from the factory. So that is what I'm fixing prior to coating it. I got my work cut out for me, so let's go. All right, so I'm gonna work my way down. I'm gonna start with the roof because I know it's gonna be a pain in my rear. So start with the roof, then I'll do the hood, work my way back from there, and let's get at it. So I got the first coat down. I just started the second back here. I'm gonna work back to front. But this coat is just gonna make this color pop. This thing is so shiny already, even just after the first one. So with that being said, I got one more coat, back it out, do a sun check, and yeah, we're on it. All right, so the moment you have all been waiting for, I did the final wipe, and this is the final product. Bro, this thing is so glossy. So glossy. Like I said, wiped it all up in here, scotch guarded the seats, wiped everything down. Looks better than it did when it left the dealership. Man, 3 coats of CQuartz on there, and it is ready to rock. That thing is ready for a New York winter, and I know she's gonna be ecstatic. So, once again, that's what we're left with. Absolutely mint. One time for the one time. Look at this gloss. One last time, everybody take notes. 462 miles, and this thing is now protected and prepped and ready to go. The best thing you can do is protect your investments. Be smart. Be smart.